All right, let's get back into another back testing session. You guys absolutely love them. So let's get into it. If you guys are interested in seeing how I trade, what I look for in the market every single day, how I break down my bias, etc., then this is the video for you. So let's get right into it. 2025. Let's do it. So let's do it. First thing, what are we looking for? Daily time frame. We want that bias. Daily time frame, what are we looking at? We look pretty bullish so far. We're respecting this bullish gap. We're pushing higher. We have this gap up here that we actually tapped into. Still pushing higher. It's very nice. Very bullish. Yeah, very bullish, very bullish. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. Do have to close this gap though. I would very much rather we close that gap. First of all, let's go to new day open actually. Okay, yeah, we were obviously bullish. Pushing higher, very nice. Come down to the hourly. What are we doing? Pushing higher. Do we have any targets? Have the swing high up here. This is not all-time highs, is it? No, it's not. Okay. If we can get a form of a retrace inside, I would not like something like that, literally. Yeah, I'd take something like this for sure. I think that's very, very, very clean. We're wicking right off of it. Just have to be careful of this gap over here, though. That's my only concern right now. That's really, really my only concern. Yeah. Honestly, nah, bro, this is nice though. Honestly, this would be a low risk trade, to be completely honest with you. This would be very low risk if this was on live accounts. Yeah, for reasons like that. Oh, that was a stop rate. That's crazy. That was just an insane stop rate. Okay, starting off the video strong with a beautiful stop raid to stop the great Alexander out. What's new? They saw him making a video and they're like, yeah, let's just put this guy down. Okay. Okay, so we ended up closing it, so we are bullish over here for sure. Yeah, still bullish. Have this little trend line, not the best, but we have this swing high up here. Yeah. Okay. I'd want to be bullish over here. We can get something like that. Beautiful. See if we can get a nice, we do get a nice entry as well. Got that inversion right there. Okay. Let's see. Let's try not to get into another stop rate over here. Bang, 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 bang. That is break even. And got stopped at a break even and went to TP. Brother, what the hell? This is the second trade in a row. This is the second trade in a row. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we might get a re-entry. We can close it. We do. Would I be comfortable taking this as a re-entry? We have equal highs. So yeah, I would be comfortable taking this as a re-entry, honestly. But look at this trendline liquidity below, though. That's a little risky. But if we want to come tap inside this gap to want to push lower, hypothetically, we would have to come up higher. Yeah. But we are inside this 4 hour. No, I don't know. This trendline liquidity is very nice, and we're inside of a 4 hour gap. I don't think that's something I'd be comfortable taking. Yeah, pretty valid, honestly. Call me crazy. This actually might be a nice trade over here for a possible short, because we have this fair value gap that we're respecting on the hourly. We took out internal liquidity, 4 hour as well. Took out that internal liquidity. We have beautiful trendline liquidity down here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Yeah, this is a very late entry, I'll be honest. Wow, and we push higher. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. We are down 3K. Oh my god. Okay. Let's make this money back. Let's make it back. Let's make it back. Let's make that money back. Okay, what am I looking for over here? Tapping inside this gap over here. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Okay, most likely gonna be bullish over here a bit. Yeah. We're not gonna even get any form of an entry though, are we? Nothing. Okay. We have that new week opening gap we filled. We have this swing low. We have a little trend line. Not the best. Honestly, if we can come up higher, tapping inside this gap, I'll take a continuation lower. Something like that. Literally word for word. And we don't even get an inversion. And I don't even have access to the 30-second over here. And we get that push lower. Okay. Still validated though. Still valid. Took out internal liquidity. We definitely can create that inversion over here though, if we do want to go lower. Yeah. Okay. If we can get this inversion, I would not mind it, which we do. Do we have valid reason to go lower though? That's the question. I think we do. I think we do. I think we do have valid reason to go lower. I would take it. Aim for a nice little 1-to-1. Yo, this is this is actually nuts. This is like 4 trades in a row now that this happens to me. It's like it's like I'm right on the direction. I know where the trade's going, but we get stop rated and then we get we get the push. Wow, okay. This has never happened to me before. What the heck is happening right now? Okay, so if we can sweep this out and then get that rejection higher, that would be very nice. 13 minutes is going to decide if we're going to be bullish or bearish today. And we are going to be bearish. Okay. I have that little fair value gap over here. We're not going to get any form of inversion. So no reason to even enter that trade. Almost 11 o'clock. Okay, yeah. Continue that push lower. Okay, so we are still very bullish. No reason to want to be taking shorts over here as of right now. Yeah, no reason to be wanting to take shorts here. Ooh, we can get a little pre-market long over here. We can hold this. 1, 2. Yes, sir. Bada boom, bada bang, bada boo TP. Finally, bro. Finally. Like, oh my god. Ooh, ooh. No. We have a 30-minute here. No, we have a 15. A little bit of a chop fest we're going on over here. 1. Yeah. I can take this. A little bit, not the best of the best of the best trades, I'll be honest. But overall draws are higher though. This is definitely going to be a very strong break even. And we have these relative equals as well. And we have a bullish bias. So I wouldn't mind it. Bro. That's actually nuts. Bro, I'm getting cooked. Bro, I can't short this though. This is like seriously, we get a beautiful short. But I can't. I can't short this. There's no way I'm shorting this. This is ridiculous if you want to if I short this. Yeah, I would have got stopped out. No reason to be shorting that. And we get and we get the push. And we get the push. Again. Again. I'm calling out exactly what price is going to do. Bro, honestly, this is literally like the world of trading, bro. Like, you know exactly what price is going to do, and it literally just stops you out. And then goes straight to your take profit. It's like, bro, like, what? It's trading. It's like the craziest psychological game there is on planet Earth. You have to be able to beat it. Okay, this price action is literally terrible. right. Still pushing higher. No reason to want to be looking at shorts over here. Yeah. Very, very clean bullish bias. We come lower, maybe tapping inside of this gap over here on the hourly. This could be very nice. Let's see. Wow. Well, it's like we're getting good entries, like good we're getting good strategies that are playing out, but it's like they're in the worst possible areas. Would I want to take something like this though? Yeah, I will. Don't you dare. Thank you. I was about to say. I was about to say. And now we're just gonna pump. We're not gonna get any other entries, right? Yeah, no. Okay. 17 minutes into the video. Okay. Let's try to get one more take profit over here. Oh, we are so close. We're going higher. No doubt about it. Yeah. 1, 2. Terrible entry. Absolutely a horrendous entry. Is it still valid to take though? That's the question that you have to ask yourself. Is it still valid to take? We're rejecting off this hourly. We're wicking right off of it though. We're wicking right off of it. As well as a 30-minute. That's actually beautiful. Is it valid to take a late entry over here? I don't see a reason for it to want to be reversing. It's a really late entry. Yeah. Edged might take profit. Yo. This this has to be honestly the most unluckiest session I've ever had. Like that's actually nuts. Anyways, I'm done here, bro. I'm done. So leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is bro, like go watch my other backtesting sessions. I swear to God. Please. This is actually the most unlucky I've ever got. But it's trading. It's trading. So if you want to learn this model, I can promise you it's a profitable model. Let me know in the comments. I'll teach you it. First link in the description. And I also got some funded accounts that you can get some nice discounts to down below as well. Peace.